Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by opening Keychain access so you can inspect entries directly. First, make sure you're using the macOS account that owns the login keychain, otherwise permissions block you. Once done, open Finder Right Arrow Applications, Right Arrow Utilities, Right Arrow Keychain Access. You'll see categories on the left such as Login and System. Click Login to view personal items. Make sure to have the Mac login password available, because macOS will prompt you to unlock the keychain before revealing secret. You'll now find the specific credential you need. Use the search field in the top right to narrow results by service, email, or URL. This saves time. Once you locate the entry, double-click it to open the detail pane, then tick the Show Password box. At that point, macOS will ask for your Mac account password to authorize revealing the secret. Enter it. The text field will then display the password so you can copy it or verify it. If you can't unlock the keychain, first try a simple restart and then attempt unlocking again. Transient issues sometimes clear. If that fails, open Keychain Access and run Keychain First Aid on older Mac OS versions, or sign out and back into iCloud to resync credentials. When corruption persists, create a new login keychain and migrate saved passwords manually. If you must delete the old keychain, backup exported items first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.